Welcome to my channel. This is an Allen and Electric Company E139 model number lathe. It's for fixing armatures. An armature is the internal works of a motor. In a motor you have an outer coil and you have the inner coil, the inner spinning coil. That's called the armature. Now, I really don't know how this thing works at all, but it's an interesting specimen. Finding it on eBay or even on the internet, there's very little information on it. I decided I had to make a video because there's nothing there. And this way you'll get to see a pretty good look at what it is. It seems to work okay if you know how to work it, I guess. Everything seems to move all right. I might have used a little oil to help it along. There's this thing comes out, whatever it is for, I'm not sure. This tightens in place. I'm selling this on eBay. It will be disassembled and packaged nicely so I can safely put it in a box. Let's see, this thing, there's like a little cutting tool right here. This locks it in place. This opens up. See, it'll go in for what it needs to do and back out. And then as you're changing that, you have this little gear to turn it. These are, I think, made, oh, I don't know, 40s, 50s, 30s, something like that. There isn't that much information on it. Right here it says Allen Electric and what is that? Allen Electric and Equipment Company, Kalamazoo, Michigan. Let's see. Other side of this. Let's see, you got these things, a little lube, and they spin around. I guess there's a pulley there to maybe put a motor there or something. There's also this part. These come in and out. This needs, I guess, some additional lubricating. Not sure what it is for. That's up. And it goes down. This would lock it in place. This moves nicely. You can see, and this one also moves in and out pretty nicely. Or this one, I should say, moves in and out pretty nicely. Interesting little unit. It definitely needs to be fully taken apart and cleaned up, and maybe some of these surfaces, feels pretty smooth. It doesn't feel very rusty. Well, there's a little gunk on it, but it's not in too bad a condition. Well, this is, I guess, the end of the video. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my channel, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.